Did you just hit the jackpot? And now you're wondering if forming an LLC is the right move to protect your lottery winnings? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the advantages of creating an LLC to manage your lottery winnings and provide step-by-step instructions to set one up. By the end of this video, you'll understand how an LLC can help you protect your assets, maintain privacy, and manage your new financial windfall. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your Lottery Winnings LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for lottery winnings? Winning the lottery is a life-changing event, and it's important to manage your windfall carefully. Here's why forming an LLC can be a smart move for lottery winners. Reason 1: asset protection. One of the biggest advantages of forming an LLC is asset protection. An LLC shields your personal assets from potential lawsuits or creditors, meaning if someone sues the LLC, only the LLC's assets are at risk. Your personal savings, home, and other assets stay protected. This is especially important when dealing with lottery winnings, as large sums of money can attract lawsuits and unwanted attention. Reason 2: privacy and anonymity. In some states, lottery winners must publicly reveal their identities, which can lead to unwanted media attention and even security concerns. However, by forming an LLC, you can often claim the winnings in the name of the LLC rather than your own name, providing you with a layer of anonymity. This helps you protect your privacy and avoid the stress of public scrutiny. Reason 3: financial management and control. Creating an LLC allows you to manage your lottery winnings more efficiently. You can set up a bank account in the LLC's name, hire financial advisors, and handle investments and expenses in an organized manner. The LLC structure provides a formal way to separate your personal finances from the lottery winnings, making it easier to manage the funds and track income for tax purposes. Reason 4: tax flexibility. An LLC offers flexibility in how you are taxed. By default, an LLC is a pass-through entity, meaning the income flows through to your personal tax return. However, depending on your financial situation, you can elect to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp or C-Corp, potentially saving you money on taxes. Consulting with a tax professional can help you determine the best tax strategy for your winnings. Steps to form an LLC for lottery winnings. Now that you understand the benefits, here are the steps to form an LLC to manage your lottery winnings. Choose your LLC name. Select your state. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Step 1: choose your LLC name. Start by selecting a name for your LLC. Since privacy may be important to you, choose a name that doesn't directly reference your winnings or your identity. Use your state's business name search tool, available on the Secretary of State's website, to ensure your chosen name is available. Be sure to include LLC or limited liability company in your name to signal its legal structure. Step 2: select your state. The state in which you form your LLC can impact your privacy and the management of your winnings. Some states like Delaware, Nevada, and Wyoming offer stronger privacy protections and business-friendly regulations. If privacy is your priority, you may want to form your LLC in one of these states, even if you live elsewhere. However, if you form your LLC outside of your home state, you may need to register as a foreign entity in your home state, so be sure to factor in additional costs. Step 3: appoint a registered agent. Your LLC will need a registered agent. This person or company will receive official legal documents on behalf of your LLC. You can act as your own registered agent, appoint someone you trust, or hire a professional registered agent service. I recommend using a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent to protect your privacy and ensure timely handling of important legal documents. Northwest Registered Agent is a reliable option that offers a free registered agent service for the first year. This service allows you to use their address as your business address, which is great for maintaining your privacy. You'll find the Northwest Registered Agent first-year discount link in the description below this video. Step 4: file the articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file the articles of organization with your state. This document includes basic details about your LLC, such as its name, address, and the name of your registered agent. Most states offer the convenience of online submission through the Secretary of State's website. Online filing is often the fastest method, allowing you to complete the process within hours or a few days. Filing fees vary by state, typically ranging from $50 to $500. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be run. It defines the management structure, ownership, and rules for handling the LLC's assets, in this case, your lottery winnings. Even if your state doesn't require an operating agreement, having one can provide clear guidelines for managing your LLC's assets and future earnings. Step 6. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS and is used for tax purposes. You'll need this to open a bank account in your LLC's name and manage taxes for your winnings. You can apply for an EIN for free through the IRS website. The process is quick, and you'll receive your EIN immediately after completing the application. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed, it's crucial to open a business bank account to manage your lottery winnings separately from your personal finances. This separation helps maintain the LLC's limited liability protection and simplifies accounting for taxes. To open a bank account, you'll need your EIN, Articles of Organization, and Operating Agreement. Choose a bank that offers features like low fees, online banking, and investment options to suit your needs. Conclusion. Forming an LLC for your lottery winnings can offer numerous benefits, including protecting your assets, maintaining your privacy, and providing flexibility in managing your finances. If you're unsure about any part of the process, consider hiring a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to make things easier. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose New Mexico as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 6 days for $50. Expedited processed in 4 days for $85. Expedited 2 days processed for $125. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you $200. Additionally, the filing service fee of $100 is also free, which results in a total savings of $300. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then, set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address. Business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium mail service, Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your Lottery Winnings LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the link in the description to get started with forming your LLC for Lottery Winnings today. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building and scaling your business. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your lottery winnings.